Mm-hmm. 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 Just waiting for others to get in the live stream, guys. Just giving it a second to populate. Let's get ATHX up here really quickly. Made a huge swing to that 38 cent. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, guys, if you already haven't. What's going on? Zia's Pizza. Yo, Justin. He says, appreciate it too. Everything you do. I just paid for the monthly prescription, huh? Trading with you has changed my life already in 7 days, dude. Anytime, Justin, you know, Making Easy Money family, we try to go do our best, man. We try to do our best, but shout out to Danielle. What's your prediction on Mullen by end of summer? I think you mentioned $6 before. Yeah, we were hoping for that $6, Danielle, but it just is not looking as though they were going to be hitting $6 for Mullen here by the end of the summer. With all of the delays, Fortune 500 company not being announced, you know. But ATHX, guys, this thing may turn into a multi-day. It's looking as though that, you know, we alerted this thing quite early in the Discord, guys. If you are a part of the Discord server, you caught that alert. We alerted this thing, forgot. It was not too long ago, though, guys. We alerted this thing here, ATHX. We alerted ATHX, guys, here on today. Entry price was 19 cents, as you can see here. This was 6 minutes into the pre-market trade, and we alerted this thing. Went as high as 38 cents here on today's trade. We're starting to see a little bit of retracement on that, though, here on the 1 minute chart. Let's take a brief look and check out the fund flow here on today's trade. That's a huge gap in favor of that extra large scale, guys. Institutions dived in strongly. More than likely, we saw some short covering going on here for sure in ATHX. Looking here at yesterday's close in ATHX, we closed here at 19 cents here. Yesterday's close, that was for a 10% gain. Now the short sale ratio that came off from Tuesday's trade, that was quite high, 14.67%, guys. So yeah, pretty sure we saw short covers from Tuesday and Wednesday's trade for sure after ATHX's movement. Let's take a brief look at Rev. Do you think VTG will have a nice momentum like ATHX? That's a tough one, man. Not like ATHX. Let's take a brief look and check out Rev really quickly. Revlon. All right, guys. Revlon has been battling some consolidation if you really think about it. All right. These last 3 days of trading hasn't been too much wide of the range. Only low $4.55 with the high being 504. Nothing too wild here in REV just yet, man. They're just looking to actually clear that debt behind that loan, and that can actually send this stock to another whole nother bracket for sure. Anyone in the chat? NHKD. Obi, my man, you still feel confident about TUEM? TUEM, not so much. Haven't really been seeing too much of the bids going crazy in TUEM right now. Like I said, TUEM is falling into a slow bleed, as you can see here. We got that gap between him and the SAR here on today's candlestick. Yeah, I feel as though that we may be drifting towards 17 sub levels here in TUEM. Sorry. If you can, check out RMED. Sure will. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, guys, if you already haven't. It really does help the channel grow. So anytime that you guys do watch the channel, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help, and I really do appreciate it, guys. I really, really do. Looking here at RMED. Let's see here. Clubbed. This thing took a clubbing here. Let's see. Day is this? Whoa. Huge sell-off here. Fairly solid hold up from that 15-cent bottom, but let's go to the volume from the last history. Volume is not shabby, but could be better. RMED may see sub 15 here next week. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. I'm in HKD. Yo, Brad, what is your cost average, if you don't mind me asking? And when did you buy the stock? Did you believe that this thing was going to run like this? Yo, Mark, what's good? We'll talk about VS really quick. I just want to get Brad's opinion on HKD really quickly. HKD punching again, like the video said, like the video we made earlier. Well, I made earlier, guys. HKD can see those $190 levels. I just got one share at $134. I mean, you made a return on that one, right? Which you caught in today around this time, right? Pretty sure you got in around this time. Lunchtime, huh? Snuck in the back door around lunchtime, huh, Brad? I'm stuck in AREB. Let's check out VS really quickly for Mark Kim. Just double pay. Just seeing about it, right? You know, just testing the waters, huh? Checking out VS. VS, you know, overall downtrend, man. We did see that little swing cycle that it offered that we were talking about here. When this thing dropped, easy swing cycle from that 75 cent. We saw this thing swinging, called the swing cycle here on VS with that pre-market gain. But since then, this thing has just a slow bleed going on to it. Checking out the order flow, well, capital size trend here. The days hasn't been looking too good here for VS, especially on that flip day here, back on the 22nd. Let me check something out really quickly. All right, let's check out. I'm trying to go as quick as possible here, guys. Work with me, work with me. And if you're still here with me, guys, feel the comment, well, the live chat section, still here with you, Obi. Let's run those comments up. Last time we approached these levels, oops, I need to pull this up really quickly. We're sitting at 46. Today's low coming at 38. Versus may be looking towards 35-cent levels here. But I do see a nice swing once that happened, though. TBLT, where it's going, $10. You know it's going to $10, Steve. Steve, we looking at $10, bro. Nothing less. Oops. Got a little excited there. You mentioned TBLT to me. I got a little excited there, Steve. Yo, Sean, what's going on? Whoop, whoop. Sean is in the building. And like I said, guys, if you haven't left a thumbs up on the video already, please do so. It really does go a long way. TBLT, huge news. I do believe that TBLT is going to have a snowball effect. We hear Ace Hardware, they're going to be selling their products in Ace Hardware. What's next? Maybe Home Depot or other outdoor and tool stores, guys. Be looking out for that. We may see a Snap deal here, a Napa deal. Who knows? AutoZone, Tough Built is ready to move. But looking here at this short float, very low, only 2.13 million. Nothing to brag about. But looking here at that high scaling volume, guys, we're not seeing too many shareholders actually hold their position here. Seeing a lot of rotations going on here in the shares. But what is driving that price up is that the orders during this time is steadily being filled above the bidding price. Okay, that is the inflow. The inflow counts for orders that is being bought at the bid and under the at the sale and above the selling price, guys. That ask, if you're hitting that ask, that is going in as far as the inflow. All right, so yeah, that is what's actually carrying the price up here currently. Even though that we're seeing a lot of rotations going on here, people selling for gains. But checking out our short sale analysis, though, breaking it down here from yesterday, short sale ratio was low here in TBLT. Maybe shorts knew what was in store, the news that was coming out here pretty soon. Let me check out the live chat, see what you guys are talking about. AREB, I got you. I got you. Anytime, Steve. Yo, Gage says, what does turnover ratio mean? Turnover ratio is basically the volume, okay? A ratio compared to the volume in the share float. That's all the turnover ratio is. All right. So, for instance, let's just look at AMC's really quickly. We're going to go back to TBLT. AMC only saw 21.71 million in volume, but the share float is 513 million. That's why the turnover rate is only 4.23%, because only 4.23% of the shares was traded, man. Of the free, you understand what I'm trying to say here, right? Gauge. It's just a ratio of the volume and the share flow. That is the turnover ratio. So if you're seeing a high turnover ratio more than the share float, it's more than likely it's a lot of profit taking and a lot of turnover going on, a lot of rotations of the stocks, probably high frequency trading, day trading. A lot of that is going on, especially during a price hike. So you tend to actually see, when you see a high turnover ratio and the price is actually moving up, you tend to actually see what we call the net inflow tends to actually surpass it in those instances. But yeah, though, what we're back at it. We're back at it in TBLT. $10 easy. They're making great deals. You know, you've been following the channel, guys. Not to toot the horn or nothing. We caught this thing at $1.74. So check that video out. But HKD, man, I'm so blow about that. Supposed to have my nose in the mix with that one, guys, but it was so high risk. IPOs moving up like that, so high risky. But if you did make money on that, man, I think it's more money to be made. Honestly, we hit that $193, man. 190. Let's go back to it, man. This is getting nuts. This is getting nuts, guys. We're about to breach $200 levels here in HKD. BWV, yo, C Jerry, one of our YouTube members. Shout out to YouTube Jerry for supporting the channel. C Jerry, C Jerry for supporting the channel. Let's see what's going on in the Discord really quickly. I'm gonna check that out, Jerry. Yo, Josh is a good guy, man. Josh is always in there. Dave, we'll check out Dave here in a second. HKD, yes. High risk, high reward, obviously. I mean, sheesh. Sheesh, man. This thing is putting numbers on the board. I tell you. This thing is putting huge numbers on the board. Man, bro. Just imagine the people that is buying the stock here at $190. Just imagine. I got you. You know I won't. Come on, man. You know I won't. You know I won't. You know I won't, Z's. You know I won't, Z's. Sorry about that. Sheesh. 5 straight, huh? Retracement day. It has 5 days for a 20% drop. AMP close to that. Turnover right around those ranges, only 10% 3. Let me assess all this one here for you. I see why. I see why you hate this thing. Honestly, I really do. Trying to find any and each way that this play will make sense. First half, we do see that little increase first half of July, but second half of July looks like this thing is getting slammed here. Volume is dirt low. Slow bleed out on low volume. Pure signs of a sell-off. This thing may be reaching 68-cent levels in August. I just see a downtrend forming, full-fledged. Not looking good. Should I be holding TBLT overnight? Man. Yeah, honestly, TBLT is something I wouldn't panic on. Take advantage on the sway prices. The sway of prices. Now, let's go hunting, guys. I know that's in the title, right? Let's go hunting really quickly. No, let's select that. Let's see what the NASDAQ been doing because they've been getting hit over the head lately. Incredible. Let's see that cruise. NVX, but not too high on the bid volume right now. Just moving everywhere. Let's just check what's going on currently. We just stock hunt. We're stock hunting, guys. What's today's high on this? We're sitting at today's high. Nah. I got 5 minutes. Ranking Teledoc is moving along what we on 1. Teledoc is starting to move here. It's something you guys want to keep your eyes out on. You alerted this thing at $37. It did drop as low as 31, offering a great dip buying opportunity on that. But I see Teladoc scaling back to $42 though. Honestly do. Stock hunting. Let's see what else we can find here, man. Rex is cutting up. Link charging. Ooh, what in the world? Bit volume is it? AMC is having crazy bids going on right now. High numbers on those. HKD is still hell OCGN doing? Steady on the volume. I want to know if someone placed anything 5K. Any orders placed here at 5K? I need to know. You check out LYT. Yes. And shout out to C Jerry for being one of the YouTube members. LYT. What's going on, Naomi? Tilray is up on earnings. Big dog. Yo, Tilray is up on earnings. Let's see here. One moment. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, guys, if you already have it. But LYT, yes, I do think LYT is headed back towards those $3.50 levels. Let's go check out this 15-minute chart really quickly. It's a huge gap here on LYT's chart there. Day chart here on LYT. Let's try. Last 2 days of trading for LYT. See a nice little range there. Low 230, high to $3.20. AMP looks great. That change still in our favor. Back to the order flow distribution, though. That extra large scale is actually doing very wonders here for LYT. Like I said, $3.50. I do think we are headed towards those levels. I alerted this stock here on today's trading at $2.91, I believe. We got as high as $3.20 from that entry, but we did retrace here. We're currently sitting at $2.85. So still have that price target set for LYT. What's going on, Naomi? Naomi wants to check out EVTL. Right on it. We're right on it. EVTL, looking here at the day chart, guys, this stock has just been performing pretty well. The last 10 days of trading, this stock has seen over 196% gain, incredibly coming from a low of $3.25, reaching highs of $9. Okay, this thing, nice home run play. We did play this as well, guys, over in our Discord server. If you did catch that alert as well, don't forget to slap that like button. TUEM. TUEM is looking as though that thing is getting clubbed. D-Hill is getting clubbed. It is getting clubbed, but EVTL, we're expecting to hit those $10 levels here in EVTL here in August for sure. Before this thing actually sees that retracement back towards the $6 levels. EVTL is still good in my book. Let's go back to SKYX. Let's check out SKYX. As you can see here, this stock performed pretty well for us as well on today's trade. This is another stock that we alerted over in our Discord server, guys, in case you missed that as well. I alerted this thing here in the OB alert section, I'm pretty sure, or was it major buy alert? Maybe major buy alert here on, let's see, yep, there it goes, guys. July 15th with the entry of $3.80. Looking here at today's performance, seeing highs as high as $7.77, guys. So if you're not a part of the Discord, you may want to get over there, immediately activate your 7-day free trial. Nothing to lose, but a lot to gain. You'll be able to trade with very knowledgeable members of the Discord. Also, great trading community, guys. So within that 7-day free trial, expect a home run hit. All right, from me or the other in-house analysts. We got options traders, everything, guys. So check that out. TBLT and EVTL, $10 all day long. GOVX is starting to pick back up for us, guys. Overall, we did hit that 232 here on today's trading. Coming from today's low of that pre-market $1.64, we made a recovery. If you want to consider that, we're starting to see that profit-taking wave hugely come into play. Here, what we're looking at here is the 3-minute chart. Let's just check out this 3-minute wick here. Check out this drastic drop here. This 6 minutes alone, guys, we do see some nice spicy volume. 1.65 million. No slowdown in volume whatsoever. But looking here at that change here. Oops, we don't got them all in there. Sorry about that. They're gonna let us highlight these. Here we go. There we go, guys. Quick, drastic 6% drop just in that small time frame alone. Looks like we may be approaching back to those $1.92 levels for the close for today, but be expecting to see a swing here in GOVX. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you go. And like I said before, guys, I appreciate all the love and support that you guys continue to show the YouTube channel as well as over there on the Discord. So with that being said, guys, may the gains be with you.